Okay, Miss Rima. Um, how many months have you joined SBI?
Around 9 or 10.
Okay, almost a year, yes? Now, can you please tell us in the room what do you know about SBI?
About SPI, it's a program from Britain, which what is it? Which has oh my god, sorry, which has
Okay. Uh-huh.
not me, which what is it? Which work with the district in several regency and several province and provide English training for English teachers in elementary and junior high school. Yes.
Then, what's inside the program?
What? Pardon, miss?
What's inside the program?
Oh, the training for general English and then for the what is it? Cambridge and also for the teachers development, which in the TKT.
Okay, that's it. That's what tell. Okay. Give me another person, Miss Ruzul. What Rima has mentioned.
Another person would be it should be trainer in Kabe or every trainer that has
Oh,
ever
in
worked
Kabe
with me.
first.
Oh, in Kabe first. Okay then I will go with uh yeah, the smiling boy, Shafiq.
Okay, Shafiq, you can
Yes,
add some more. Yeah, probably the one that Rima hasn't mentioned earlier. Or yeah, you can even add some additional information on what Rima has mentioned.
how about the SBI one, Miss?
Yes, 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 correct.
So the program itself not only focusing on the English knowledge improvement, but it's also we intend to give um, more specific supervision after the CET program ends. So not only they learn about the knowledge, but we also help them to improve they um, on how they implement what they have learned in the classroom. So that will be on the second year of the program, if I'm not mistaken. Yes.
Mm, okay, anything to add?
Um,
Any more?
um,
How
Probably.
many years? Yeah, how many years do you think SBI program done in
Oh,
one site?
as far as I know, the minimum is like 1 year, 1 to 2 years,
Oh,
including the supervision part as well.
mhm.
So it depends on the regency. Actually, like some of the regencies requires some more time, miss.
Okay. All right. Thank you, Mr. Shafiq and Miss Rima from Kabe. Now we move to seasoned plan. Mr. Ami first. Mr. Ami, would you please point one of your team members in Pangimbasan to share with the others what SBI is?
I'll go with the oldest man, Mr. Sandy, please.
Okay, Mr. Sandy, as the oldest one.
Okay, thank you. Can you hear my voice clearly?
Yes, loud and clear.
Okay, okay. So I will add several information that I know. Please correct me if I'm wrong. But one of the end games for the SPI is actually for the students, in which the local trainer or the teachers will apply the Cambridge English syllabus or curriculum so that their school will be implementing the Cambridge English, what was it, Cambridge, as well as the syllabus in their school. So yeah, that's what I want to add.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Sandy. Uh, Mr. Adi
Yeah, ma'am.
from insert team. Is already dumba-dumba the others.
Mr. Sandy's housemate then.
Oh, Mr. Han.
Yeah. Right. So, yeah, just like what the others have already mentioned, our focus is actually the students at the end of the day later on. So that's why we train the teachers in our agency. First thing first, we prepare them to improve their English capability because not usually, they must have reached the minimum standard of teaching in their school. For example, when we are talking about elementary school, then they will be teaching A1 level to the students. So that's why they need to have at least minimum A2, but it will be better, of course, if they have like minimum B1. Same case to the junior high school. So they will be teaching, they are expected to teach A2 level to their students later on. So of course, their level must be exceeding that. Why B1 or even B2 perhaps will be good for them. So at the end of the day, we are not actually just teaching the teacher, but actually we are helping them to prepare teaching in their school later on. That's why we have MAPL. That's the end goal of our program, actually, implementing methodology, techniques, and teaching English for the students in their school later on. That's why we have TKT, Module 1, 2, 3, and even YL, because yeah, we are not only focusing on the teacher, but we prepare them to teach students later so that the students can improve their English capability in the agency we are doing the training in.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Han. And thank you others for your explanation. What is SBI? So actually, SBI is MAPL. From the name itself, SBI is Sekolah Berbahasa Inggris.
English.
So yes, so SBI is actually MAPL, pelaksanaan MAPL of schools later on, where in your respective regencies or cities, SD and SMP. Why only SD and SMP? In our probably first years, we are going to aim for pendidikan dasar first. Yes, which is SD and SMP. Now that's why if we are talking about government policy in education and referring specifically to Permendikbudrismen number 30 2025, it is actually later on what Mr. Adi always mentioned in his coordination quickly. And also, if you pay attention to the slogan in the PowerPoint template, revitalisasi mata pelajaran bahasa Inggris. Why we need to revitalize? Why do you think we need to revitalize the English subject at school? Anybody can share?
May I, ma'am?
Okay.
Mr. Mantra already turned on the mic.
Okay.
Okay, I think it's because based on my own experience previously when I was in my elementary school, I always remember that when it comes to English, it's always very textbooks, and it end up we as the students, some of the students, they understand about the structure of the grammar, but they cannot even speak. While in English itself, it is very important for us to be able to speak and communicate, ma'am. So that's why I think that's the, what is it? That's why we need to revitalize the MAPL itself, ma'am. That's all, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Manta. Anybody want to add why we need to revitalize women our English subject at school?
May I,
Anybody?
ma'am?
Yes, quickly, please.
Okay, as far as I know that the English subjects along with the IT subjects were removed from the primary level in the based on the regulation made by the government. So that's why in order to prepare the teachers in teaching English, that's why SBI held or Britain held this program together with the Ministry of Education on several regions in Indonesia. That's why the jargon of the program is revitalisasi bahasa Inggris, Ma'am Alice.
Yeah. Okay. I was school teacher for 10 years before I joined Britain, and I know the differences in teaching methodology, I can say. You know, school teachers, you experience taught by them. Yeah. So we don't want the same experience happen also to our younger generations, especially with Indonesia Emas 2045. How can we reach the golden period if English as lingua franca, as universal language, is removed from our basic education? Yeah, that's why Permendikbud 13, 2025 is actually reinstating that English starting 2027, lesson year 2027-2028 will be a compulsory subject starting from the third grade of primary school and above, yeah, starting from the third grade. Even in Britain, in our Britain centers, we felt the differences. The periods where English were taught at school, and also compared with where it was eliminated from the syllabus, from the curriculum, we felt the difference with our students' input. They know nothing. We can say they're even in the level of tiara, not even jongkok, yeah, in English. So uh, uh, nowadays, our students' output, if we're talking about the graduates from each level of education, would be definitely far left behind from the other Southeast Asian countries. Do not name Singapore. Let's name Vietnam. 10 years ago, Vietnam's are far behind from Indonesia. Now, it's the reverse, yeah, the opposite. So one way to actually overcome this problem is by regulating Cambridge English subject becoming a compulsory subject again starting 2027. So we can say that this year is actually the preparation period. Yeah. Now, this is what I want to share. By building your understanding first that SBI is MAPL. So as SBI trainers, you will need to erase in your mindset that the SBI finished when the training on the site finished. It's just started when MAPL starts school. Yeah. So your teacher training period is what we call the teacher preparation. Starting from the CEFT, they are gaining English proficiency and also certification and also teaching qualifications, plus preparing them for the in the institute stage, or we call it pendampingan MAPL. After that, the MAPL will be implemented, and this is MAPL at school. So like we create Britain in different areas of schools. Yeah, that's why if you take a look carefully, at your training venue in your site, you can see the board, yeah, the Cambridge board, right? Nama Cambridge in front of the school. Why it was put there? It is actually to announce to society that the school will be implementing Cambridge syllabus, which is definitely not 100% Cambridge syllabus, but also integrating the national curriculum as well. Yeah. Now, these are MAPL, the one that we're going to later on conduct at schools after insert finished. So let's say like Tanah Bumbu. This year we have insert for batch 1. Yeah, Mr. Adi, right? For batch 1. Next year that would be another insert, but for batch 2. Yeah. And we got also CET, hopefully for batch 3, which will be taught later on by batch 2 trainers. So it will continuously like this. That's what we call pengimbasan. Yeah. At this point, the teacher who later on already finished the insert, they are going to teach like now. They're teaching practices, they were given feedback, so they can build their understanding more and also enhancing their teaching skills later on in the classroom. Because the aim is later on would be the students. Yeah. As they will be learning A1 materials, which is movers. So starting from the 3rd grade until the 6th grade, meaning they will learn movers for 4 years. The 6th graders will have international tests in movers. Now, like what Mr. Hanafi mentioned, what about the teachers level? Well, if we're talking about the teachers, minimum, they should be in A2. Yeah, minimum, one level above minimum. That would be very minimum. But why we set SBI teachers to be in B1 level? Because that would be the minimum standard for English teachers. This is also the minimal requirements to gain more teacher training in advance. Let's say for TOT. Our partner actually requesting minimum B1 participants, yeah, minimum B1 level English for the TOT participants, so that they can understand everything, every material, every instructions, every feedback in English well. Yeah, A2, yeah, sometimes they still find difficulty. Yeah, you know very well because what you face daily. SP students, 7th grade until the 9th grade, they will learn A2 in the schools. Yeah, which is why the reason the SMP teachers should be in minimum B1 level. Yeah, that's the reason actually. Now, another document to share. Nice. And now, what's wrong with us, ma'am? Why you actually gather us today here? Yeah, because in the near future, once the teacher training period finished, MAPL is still need to be supervised. But our support, the percentage of our support will be decreasing gradually. So in the very beginning, we really supervise them. Let's say we still help them a lot, yes. But later on, because they need to be independent, the support would be gradually decreased. And this is actually what needs to be done during MAPL. Okay, so inside the MAPL cycle, we have the pre, during, and post. In pre-MAPL, this is for external needs, yes, for our partner. So the teachers that will be teaching the English subject, yeah, under SBI trainers position, they will have refreshment training. Because let's say like this, if you're talking about the old sites, Mr. Zul, did you still remember when was the last time we conducted inset for HST, Hulu Sungai Tengah? Zul or Miss Dian, because you were there also in HST?
If I'm not mistaken, it was 2024 because last year was Penimbasan.
24,
Okay.
ma'am. Sorry, I was in the toilet.
2024, yeah. So now it's 2026. So I mean, if we're talking about their let's say their understanding, yeah, definitely would be a bit blunt, I can say. Yeah. So refreshment training will be needed and including mentoring. Why? Because in every site, we are actually the TOT graduates are what we call the real master teachers and lead trainers. Master teachers and lead trainers. Yeah, master trainers and lead trainers. For SMP and also SD. So they will later on lead the mentoring group for the other SBI teachers under them. Yeah. Now during MAPOL, we have the school period, I can say, the lesson delivery, the monitoring, and so on. And this will be conducted in the cooperation of Britain and also the schools, plus also DIKNAS, yeah, including also the post evaluation. Now, where are you, Britain Leads trainers? Okay, you will be here. Wait a second. Okay, you will be in pre-MAPO. Yeah. So later on, when you got the opportunity to be the supervisor of MAPL in the near future, you need to understand first what is the content of MAPL. And because you know very well SPI training products, yeah, which is actually later on MAPL, then the MAPL content creation later on will be by all of us. Yeah. What is MAPL content creation? My question before I answer my own question before, do you think if we give the school teacher the authority to make their own teaching materials in the class, they can do it well? Can anybody answer?
What was it, ma'am?
Do you think if we give them the freedom or the authority to make their own material, teaching materials, yes? Let's say we give them the syllabus, let's say. Can they do it well?
No, because
Not
it
yet.
happened in HST.
Why, Mr. Rugul?
Because it happened in HST, ma'am. Because every teachers has their own interpretation of the syllabus. So the quality and also the standard that they achieve wouldn't be the same if we let them creating the material by themselves. Like just providing the syllabus won't be enough to make the standard that we try to achieve.
Okay. Who said no again before?
Sorry, ma'am?
Apart from Mr. Gu, I can hear a female voice saying
Oh,
no.
Dian.
Oh,
Yes,
Miss
ma'am.
Dian. Why
Yeah,
do you
Dian
say
want-
no?
Because based on my experience, even the highest level of local trainers in HST and in Tanah Bumbu, they still need the lesson plan still need to be adjusted based on the written way.
Others, probably you want to say something different. Probably you say, oh yes, ma'am, they can do that. They can do it well. Okay. Now, because of the reason why we will decrease your support gradually, so we need to set standard, same standard to every site, whoever the teacher is. We call it a system. Yeah, we call it as our system because we cannot be there 100% to accompany them, unlike what you did now in your class. When you are not in the site anymore, can you supervise them 100% like what you did now? Difficult, yeah? So the system must be designed so that everybody, whoever teaches in school A, B, or something, they will deliver the same standard, the same material. That's the bare minimum. The system that we create would be the bare minimum, yeah, to be implemented at school. If the teacher is really creative, then welcome. Maybe he wants to conduct the school outside, the class outside the class, because he said, oh, I think because today is about nature, I want to conduct it in the schoolyard, let's say, for example. It's up to them. Yeah. So that's why content creation is the standard. It's the system that we want to set for Diknas, whoever Diknas is. Yeah. So later on, this NAPL would be bundled in one folder and would be given to any Diknas as a benefit because beforehand they have joined the teacher training. So not every Diknas are welcome to use our NAPL material. The condition is they need to join the SBI teacher training first, and then they can get the access to the MAPL. Yeah. If not, no SBI teacher training, no MAPL bundle. Yeah. So this is what we prepare later on from our trainers. Once we leave the site, probably we move to another site. Yeah. But we leave them heritage to do. This one. Now, you are here in number 2. Yes. So the content creation is like this. Based on the evaluation from our previous HST model, they haven't got the fixed syllabus yet, so they made their own. Yeah. Here we are making one in point number 1, and this is where June is the deadline. Yes, for the syllabi makers. And later on, after finish, then starting July, content creation would be made. So it's like that. For example, I show you the sample of the syllabus first, yeah? Here, our syllabus would be quite different, not far different actually, but a bit different. Some additional information are stated there as this is integrated syllabus and we need to adapt national curriculum terms. So that's why the syllabus from MAPL later on will be like this. Yeah. And like this. Okay. If you got the experience in teaching at schools before, you will understand. Syllabus at schools would be like this, with the jam pelajaran, how many effective week, and so on. And this is implementing also national curriculum. Yeah. Whoever told me this? Oh, Fikri, if I'm not mistaken. Ya, mem, di kurikulum sekolah itu, mem, kurikulum nasional itu ada CP, ada TP. Ya, ada capaian pembelajaran, ada tujuan pembelajaran, ada juga ATP, alur tujuan pembelajaran.
Correct.
Oke, so kelas 3, kelas 4 in national curriculum, mereka masuk ke dalam fase B. 5 dan 6 itu masuk ke dalam fase C. SMP kelas 7, 8, dan 9 itu masuk ke dalam fase E. Ya. Nah, jadi kalau kita bicarakan sekarang ini contoh silabus untuk kelas 3, maka untuk fase B itu outputnya atau learning objectives-nya at the end of fase B itu adalah di 3 kriteria ini. Ya, listening and speaking, kemudian di sini reading and viewing, and the last one will be, if I'm not mistaken, itu writing, ada di sini. Ya, writing. Ya, writing and presenting. Ini adalah label dari silabus. Jadi nanti teman-teman trainer yang lain, you need to understand first how to read this. Because later on, your job is to make I can say the RPP ya, tapi RPP-nya itu lesson plan per satu meeting. So making lesson plan, ya. Nah, like this. Jadi ada TP dari buku teks. Jadi learning objectives that you take from the book, karena mereka referensinya adalah book. Kemudian this is the TP that we get from the reference of Permendikbud. And then ada juga KTP. And then ada juga nanti this is halaman ya untuk navigasi nanti pada saat kita memberikan referensi. And in SD 2 jam pelajaran itu adalah 70 menit. Oke, 70 menit. Different with our class di center itu 90 menit. Tapi untuk di SD 2 jam pelajaran itu 70 menit, untuk di SMP itu 80 menit. Maka dengan menggunakan tetap sebetulnya kita mengacu kepada tripis di sini yang waktunya kita sesuaikan menjadi 70 menit. Ya, sampai di sini closing. Jadi di sini nanti yang membuat silabus itu sudah memetakan untuk nanti tim content creator, what should we do? Karena mulai dari greeting, spelling, terus sampai nanti ke exit ticket itu juga ada. Ya. Nah, your job is to make the one in the green column. Jadi kalau dia based on buku, ya you can mention this is based on the book, let's say page berapa, begitu ya. Tapi kalau tidak ada, artinya ini worksheet. Nah, this is a YL. I prefer YL to be started in children way, chanting, singing the song, but something related with the material that they yeah. So even if we would like them to play a video, the video link is also needs to be provided. Yeah. And this is the sample of the material for meeting 1, everyone. Ya. Jadi meeting ke-1 ini tentang greetings. Karena pertemuan pertama ketemu dengan teman-teman greetings. So it's like this. Nah, untuk silabus itu nanti kita akan bagi-bagi untuk SD dan SMP kita akan mulai kerja keroyokan. Jadi tidak dibagi-bagi per grade, keroyokan. Nanti ada tim SD sendiri mulai dari kelas 3, kemudian tim SMP mulai dari kelas 7. Nah, tetapi di sini butuh bantuan untuk pemetaan TP dan ATP tadi, karena Miss Frida adalah orang yang sudah berpengalaman dengan kurikulum nasional, jadi nanti Miss Frida itu bantuannya bukan sebagai content creation, tapi untuk memetakan dari silabus yang sudah dibikin sama teman-teman Silabimaker ini, dibahasakan ke dalam bahasa teknis Dinas Pendidikan. Ya, jadi silabus ini adalah silabus yang mereka tidak bisa tolak karena kita sudah integrasikan itu dengan national curriculum. Bahkan akan meng-embedded juga dengan local culture yang ada di daerah masing-masing gitu ya. Itu nanti tergantung dari creativity aktivitas yang akan dibawakan sama sekolah. Nah, ini adalah contoh dari uh, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Oh, wait a second. I need to open it first. Oh, my folder ya. Um, oh, I open it from my folder ya, so you can see. Okay. This is the third grade. Nah, ini contoh meeting 1. Di sekolah itu kan namanya bukan lesson plan, but it's RPP. Dan I think you will need to learn bahasa again, karena RPP yang kita buat itu nanti akan pakai bahasa Indonesia untuk instruction-nya, menginstruksikan guru bagaimana nanti mereka mendeliver. Tapi untuk contoh instruction ke dalam kelas nanti itu menggunakan bahasa Inggris. Ya, contoh seperti ini. Sebetulnya lesson plan adalah seperti ini, bukan PowerPoint yang kalian buat untuk di dalam kelas. Ya, PowerPoint itu sebetulnya tools untuk mengajar. Tapi lesson plan sebetulnya adalah seperti ini. Langkah-langkah pembelajaran. Mulai dari opening sampai terakhir. Nah, ini nanti akan disalin dari silabus. Ya, yang nanti sudah terpakukan sama Miss Vida. Nah, kemudian di sini kalau
Belum
kita lihat
kelihatan
langkah
filenya, ma'am.
pembelajaran.
Sorry, ma'am. Yeah,
You
I
should.
don't think it shows.
Belum
Wait a
terlihat, ma'am.
second. Oh, because I'm opening from the folder. Okay, can you see it?
Yes. Now.
Okay. Yes. So this is RPP actually. RPP itu seperti ini. Lesson plan itu sebetulnya sejatinya seperti ini. Dan this is langkah pembelajaran. Starting from opening and warming up. 15 minutes diambil dari mana? Dari tadi silabus. Ya. So, ini ada lesson plan itu adalah skenario yang akan guru bawakan di dalam kelas, including instruction. Kalau ada link video seperti ini juga dikatakan seperti ini. Nah, terus seperti itu, termasuk untuk presentasi. Jadi presentasi di sini pun presentasi yang sangat-sangat sederhana. Dan ke depannya, I don't know kalau nanti pada saat berjalannya MAPEL ini sekolah sudah bisa memfasilitasi dengan TV atau proyektor. Nanti ke depannya untuk future improvement dari MAPEL itu sendiri, I plan to also provide video teaching singkat gitu. Karena kita kan punya banyak om-om bule ya yang bisa kita manfaatkan dan kita jual mukanya gitu. Dari Om Simon, kemudian Om Robert sampai Om Chet. Jadi itu juga bisa nanti di situ untuk video teaching. Ya, tapi untuk pertamanya mungkin di tahun pertama MAPEL seperti ini dulu saja begitu, yang sangat-sangat sederhana. Nah, ini juga konsep check-in. Lalu di sini language practice dan karena waktu terbatas hanya 70 menit. Jadi untuk language practice itu hanya satu saja, langsung ke speaking practice. Ya. Nah, kalau dilihat di sini ada lampiran 1. Ya. Lampiran 1-nya itu seperti apa? Ini contoh lampiran 1 untuk language practice. Karena di language practice itu tadi tujuannya adalah they have to be able to write down simple answers with good spelling, introducing names and age. Jadi ini yang menjadi worksheet-nya. Nah, ini kalau saya boleh bilang, I got the pictures from internet. Ya, I got this from internet, all of them. Tapi yang membuat ini menjadi worksheet-nya saya adalah karena saya adjust. I don't copy it and paste it 100%. Karena trust me, yang namanya di internet itu tidak sesuai dengan yang kita mau. tidak sesuai dengan language objektif yang kita mau capai di stage language practice tadi. Ya, lebih simple daripada yang ada di internet. I just copy the image karena ini adalah children gitu. That's it. Ini dikerjakan seperti itu sampai nanti pun di sini mereka punya speaking practice di mana speakingnya itu mereka memperkenalkan diri. So basically almost the same. What's your name? How old are you? What's your favorite? Cuma ditambahkan dengan favorite thing, ya. Put it here, class survey, and then tell the class. So class survey, whole class discussion. Yeah, that's it. Okay. If the practice is sufficient enough provided by the book, then it's just the book. You just need to mention the people's book, its box 3, page, blah, blah, blah. That's all. Karena buku pun kan harus dipakai di dalam kelas. Jadi tidak semuanya harus kita ambil dari luar, gitu ya. Tidak semuanya kita ambil dari luar, buku dipakai, tetapi juga kita bisa mengambil materi dari yang lain. Ya, sebetulnya itu nanti yang akan kalian kerjakan di starting bulan Juli, dan ini sudah saya komunikasikan juga ke Mr. Jun dan Mr. Aldi terkait nanti di sini untuk tambahan standing teaching. Ya, dan karena saya tahu juga hektiknya kegiatan yang dilakukan di lapangan, untuk satu orang nanti target dalam nanti saya perlu hitung ulang lagi ya, targetnya itu between 1 to 2 only week, so if not daily. Satu minggu itu maksimal 2 konten untuk 2 standing teaching. Ya, jadi seperti itu untuk nanti pengajaran mapel itu sendiri. Any questions? Sampai sini dulu, any questions? Sudah clear semua?
I have one,
Ya, Yes,
the
Mr.
one,
Nadine.
the one unanswered.
Ya,
Jadi
ini
itu
mau
kan menurut
dibahas yang itu.
ya
Kenapa, Sir?
mapping yang Mem Alice buat sebelumnya kan itu kecenderungannya adalah mengerucut sampai ke grade 9. Kebetulan saya membuat ininya Mem Power Up 5.
Iya, betul ya. Iya, power up ya.
Dan ada 9 unit dalam Power Up buku itu.
Iya.
Power Up. Yang saya sudah buat untuk saat ini, memang untuk sementara itu hanya bisa mencapai maksimal 8 unit untuk tiga
Oke.
level.
3
Jadi
grade. Ya.
ya, what do you think about this, Ma'am?
It's okay, Sir. Karena kadang silabus kita juga di center begitu. Ada unit terakhir yang kita nggak bisa pakai. Di sekolah sama. Kadang pembelajaran dalam 1 tahun itu, maklum ya, Mak, saya bisa cek, ada beberapa unit di buku itu, unit terakhir itu tidak dipakai, tidak dibahas, karena nggak cukup waktu. That would be
Yeah,
fine.
okay.
But majority kan dipakai ya. Majority kan dipakai sampai 8 unit. That's fine. That's fine.
Awalnya
Nah,
cuma 7
tujuh-
unit malah, Ma'am, begitu awalnya. Tapi
Hmm.
begitu saya lihat lagi dan susun mappingnya, akhirnya bisa dimaksimalkan ke 8 unit.
Ya, nanti yang perlu disepakati sama-sama dan memerlukan ide memang dari banyak kepala. Itu adalah bentuk KTP yang akan dijalankan. Karena di SBI kan sekarang itu di teacher training kan jarang HTP berjalan ya untuk guru ya, gitu. Tapi nanti di setelah itu HTP itu akan berjalan secara rutin. Dan ide-ide HTP itu yang kita perlu gather dari banyak kepala yang ada di sini, sehingga HTP yang dijalankan itu not only it's syllabus based, yang artinya secara tujuan pembelajaran, tapi juga mengadopsi local culture yang ada di daerah masing-masing. Gitu. Ya, jadi betul-betul ini embedded gitu dengan local culture. Mereka belajar bahasa Inggris, but still they don't forget their local culture. Gitu. Miss Fida, yes?
Yes, thank you, ma'am. Saya mixed with Indonesian, okay?
Okay,
Uh,
okay.
Ma'am, yeah, I think it's very challenging for me for doing the task. Ini, ma'am, mengomentari Mr. Adin tadi, I think kita harus fokusnya di CP. If you want to relate it to national curriculum. Jadi
Yes.
even though the unit nggak selesai, we focus to the CP, to the
Betul.
CP
Yeah.
of the curriculum like that. After CP kan nanti dipecah jadi TP. Ya. Supaya nggak ditolak, ma'am, this is my suggestion, supaya nggak ditolak dinas, maybe we make the syllabus not with the curriculum Merdeka previously, but we use the pembelajaran mendalam. Because
Deep learning. Ya.
yeah, in the deep
Sebetulnya deep
learning.
learning juga udah masuk sih Mem di sini, cuman ya itu lagi.
Yeah.
Makanya karena ada beberapa hal yang
Yeah,
kita boleh bilang dunia pendidikan kita itu sangat-sangat dinamis ya, siapapun
betul,
menterinya
betul.
berubah.
Right, right.
Jadi
Jadi
ya, so
Yeah.
yeah, that's why I need your help ya, yang sangat-sangat apa? Saya boleh bilang sangat-sangat familiar dengan istilah-istilah di dinas pendidikan di luar yang lain ya, karena yang lain tuh kita sama-sama si buta dari gua hantu. Gitu.
Yeah, we agree with that, ma'am. Jadi saya tadi bukan saya baca profil pelajar Pancasila itu pasti udah ditolak nanti sama dinas, because they don't
Yes,
want
betul.
to hear about it anymore.
Karena Mem kemarin itu dikasih referensi itu yang masih ada seperti itu ya, tapi tetap ada learningnya juga. Jadi kayak
Yeah,
kemarin.
yeah.
Okay.
And then nanti kita harus masukkan elemen. Saya punya waktu itu, waktu saya ikut sertifikasi, saya udah coba 3 piece itu, ma'am, dimasukkan dengan elemen mindful, joyful, sama
Mindful,
meaningful.
joyful, and meaningful, yes.
Meaningful itu harus dimasukkan, terus juga kalau di pembelajaran deep learning ada 3, memahami, melakukan, dan merefleksi. Sebenarnya sama dengan 3 piece yang kita kerjakan.
Iya, betul.
But we have to consider itu disatukan dengan 3 piece, jadi gitu, ma'am. Supaya nanti ini silabusnya nggak akan ditolak sama dinas.
Betul. Yes, thank you ya. Jadi yang masih punya hutang silabus, tabe akhir Juni sudah disetor.
Nah,
Jadi akan
apakah yang itu tadi Miss Vida bilang, apa tadi yang 3 itu merefleksikan apa?
It's like jadi kita bukannya supaya cepat kok. Kita tetap memappingkan seperti kita bikin silabus.
Iya.
Berarti
Yang mau ditambah nanti untuk yang dinas pendidikan ini toh, yang kurikulum nasional ini gitu. Jadi
pembelajaran
di
mendalam.
lapangan. Ya, karena sebetulnya apapun yang kita lakukan sebetulnya mengcover yang ada di dalam capaian pembelajarannya kurikulum nasional. Jadi kita perlu breakdown setiap meetingnya kan. Jadi kita membuat saja dulu seperti kita membuat silabus study center. Begitu.
Ya berarti kita lanjut dulu dengan template yang ada, kemudian mungkin nanti ada meeting pembahasan, dilihat yang mana yang mau kali ya.
Iya, jadi yang tadi beberapa kolom pertama itu pasti biarkan kosong dulu, gitu kan? Jadi kita kayaknya mulai dari fokus pembelajaran, yang halaman buku itu loh, yang halaman buku. Ya. Nah, for your information, buku standar karena yang sekarang beredar kan judulnya gado-gado nih, beda slide, beda judul. Jadi karena sudah distandarkan, karena masih kecilnya sudah distandarkan. Jadi untuk judul buku standar nanti akan digunakan di SD SMP itu akan sama. Jadi untuk SD mereka akan menggunakan buku Kids Box seri 3 dan 4. Karena kan dipakainya 4 tahun ya, satu buku Kids Box itu nggak mungkin karena tipis sekali dan tidak ada isinya. Jadi Kids Box 3 dan 4 itu untuk kelas 3 Kids Box 3 itu untuk kelas 3 dan 4. Kids Box 4 itu untuk kelas 5 dan 6. Tetapi karena jatah pembelian buku satu siswa itu adalah 2 buku, maka 2 buku ini adalah Kids Box 3 dan 4 tanpa activity book. Gitu, tanpa activity book. Tapi nanti untuk pembuatan materi, activity bisa menjadi referensi. Lalu dibuatkan ke dalam bentuk worksheet. Tidak bisa minta siswa langsung open your activity book, tidak ada. Tunggu, kalau nggak salah juga sama Sir, kita sudah pakai yang judul kurikulum standar ini. Terus untuk SMP kita menggunakan buku Empower A2 dan jatah gen satu siswa itu 2 buku, buku students book dan juga workbook. Nah, kenapa kita masih juga membuat silabus dengan judul yang berbeda? Karena judul-judul yang lain itu akan berjalan di site lamanya.
Excuse me,
Di
ma'am.
site lamanya ya. Ya, kalau Austria itu masih ada yang pakai Power 5.
Ya, itu yang saya maksud, ma'am. Apakah Power
Ya,
Up atau Empower, ma'am?
Empower untuk standar dan untuk melakukan.
Ma'am,
Tapi silabus yang berbeda judul itu kita akan berikan ke site yang memang sudah beli buku dengan judul itu. Karena nanti mereka disuruh beli buku lagi. Contoh kayak Balangan. Balangan itu pakai Big Show untuk SD dan New
Oh,
Frontier untuk
Iya, yang
SMP.
sudah
Jadi
yang sudah
jadi
tetap
makanya
lanjut, Sir.
betul.
oh,
Jadi nanti itu untuk kabupaten yang memiliki judul buku yang berbeda dengan buku standar, kita berikan silabus dan bentuk pendampingan itu nanti adalah LPC dari mentornya ke tim plannersnya. Begitu, kita supervisi itu. Tapi kalau untuk nanti ke depannya dengan standar ini, kita sudah punya satu folder yang memang intinya bahasa singkatnya itu adalah ngajar Ki. Sudah ada semuanya. Tinggal masuk ke kelas gitu. That's it. Yes, Miss Putri.
ya,
Tunggu dulu, kenapa nih?
Ada 2 akun tak?
Oh,
berarti tetap Ji, ma'am, untuk misalnya untuk Tanbut yang menggunakan Power Up itu tetap Power Up yang dibuat.
Ya, kayak tahun ini aja, Sir. Jadi tahun 2000 tahun
27.
pelajaran yang sekarang aja. Ya, karena tahun depan itu mereka sudah akan pakai buku apa namanya?
Empower.
Akan pakai buku yang Empower dan yang Kidsbox itu.
oke, cek.
Empower untuk SMP itu mulai
Di 2027.
oh berarti yang Power Up ini cuma dipakai di 2026.
Ya, kalau
Oh my.
bukunya mereka, nah kemarin itu data buku yang sebetulnya memang ditunggu, mereka punya berapa ribu jilid, nah itu yang tetap harus tahu deliver ke pengajaran.
So
Oke.
what is the point of making Power Up syllabus for SMP?
Untuk dipakai secara gradual, jadi nanti
Oh,
terlepas masa transisi itu akan dipakai tetap. Tapi kita tidak buat RTP-nya ya, kita cuma buat silabusnya saja. Jadi ada
syllabusnya.
pegangan minimal, ya.
KTP
Kalau
dikosongkan.
RPP nanti kan RPP yang tadi yang per meeting itu lesson plan itu dibuat hanya untuk yang standar karena nanti akan dipakai oleh kabupaten lain juga begitu. Jadi untuk yang judul buku non standar itu hanya disediakan silabusnya saja karena ini masa transisi nanti, masa transisi.
Oke.
Ya,
Jelas nih, Mem, suaraku.
Yes,
Cek. Oke.
yes, jelas.
So, just wanted to clarify, Mem. Jadi kan ada beberapa tim ya yang bekerja dalam pembuatan silabus. Salah duanya adalah saya dan Mr. Ami yang akan membuat Big Show dan New Frontiers, yang dimana itu tidak menjadi buku standar untuk mapel gitu.
Ya.
Ya.
Tapi mereka sudah punya 10.000 buku.
Iya,
Jadi
betul.
kalau
Karena but the
nanti,
problem
jadi
is,
kalau nanti Balangan itu jalan Mem di tahun depan nih melanjutkan program insert dan pengimbasan,
ya,
otomatis setelah itu kan mapel. Nah,
ya,
otomatis mapel pertama kali di Balangan itu akan pakai buku Big Show dan New Frontier.
Yes, betul. Nah, sementara tim yang akan menjadi content creation nanti adalah tim yang hanya akan membuat, correct me if I'm wrong, Empower dan Kids Box.
Ya,
Yes.
betul.
Jadi bagaimana itu nanti misalnya ini There's a Miracle dan Balangan will decide untuk continue lagi. Jadi mereka kontennya gimana?
LPC, Mem, jadinya.
Oh,
Jadi
jadi
ada sesi LPC. Tadi kan ada sesi mentoring kan?
ya.
Itu otomatis kan nanti Balangan itu karena mereka sudah TOT dan otomatis akan terpilih let's say berapa master trainers ya kan, sama seperti sekarang di batch satunya Umbu itu terpilih 12 terbaik kan?
Ya,
12.
15, Mem.
15 terbaik kayak di HST itu ada 12. Nah, ini nanti yang mereka jadi mentor.
Yes, oke. Jadi kayak the
Gitu.
difference from the other sides adalah di other side sudah ada RPP-nya yang dibuat dari si content creator ini, sementara Balangan will do the conventional way dengan lesson planning, supervision and
Iya.
everything. Okay.
Iya.
Alright.
Karena dia masa transisi ya, karena ke depannya let's say untuk batch student berikutnya itu kan pemilihan buku pasti setiap tahun. Nah, itu akan sudah menggunakan buku Empower dan Kids Box. Jadi memang masa transisi kurikulum yang beda ini nanti akan dipakai selama satu periode begitu.
Alright. So
Yes.
so the conclusion adalah Mr. Ami and I will still continue on making the Big Show dan Power apa tadi? New Frontiers ya.
Ya, New Frontier. Yes, betul sekali. Colek sekali, colek Mem Putri.
Oke, Mem.
Yes, colek juga Serhadi untuk Power 3-nya. Oke, Serhadi selesai tahu apa Power 5. Zul juga dicolek-colek di Empower-nya.
Belum.
Sebenarnya, Mem, the problem adalah itu bahas diksinya karena we have to benar-benar stick dengan bahasa kedinasan, bahasa pemerintahan yang which makes it
Oh, no need, Ci.
more difficult.
Tadi sudah dibilang itu nanti kerjaan yang berbeda, Mem. Jadi kita
Oke.
lebih fokus ke pemaparan, pembuatan pembuatan learning stages aja kayak silabus di written.
So we don't
Gitu.
need to make the ini
No. Iya,
yang kayak
pemetaan
YouTube
materi
gitu.
saja dulu.
Ah,
Iya,
oke.
pemetaan materi aja. Nanti kan dibantu sama Miss Vida.
Alright. So yang the one you showed,
Karena Miss Vida itu sudah hatam luar dalam.
betul. So the one you shown us earlier itu tidak seperti itu yang nanti kita akan buat ya. Cuman lebih ke mapnya
Dan
aja.
ya, begini Ji, tetap pakai menggunakan template yang
Template-nya
sama.
pakai itu, Ji. Cuman
Oke.
si
Tapi kita cuman dari sini, mulai dari sini fokus unit, karena ini kan halaman buku kan,
Alright.
fokus unit sampai ke belakang. Nanti yang ini beda sendiri Ki, gitu.
Oh, oke. Alright.
Oke.
Oke.
Jadi ini dibikin Ki dulu. Pastikan Ki setiap meeting itu kita berikan satu row tambahan, terus kasihkan Ki warna berbeda, karena di sinilah kontennya yang harus
Oke.
dibuat
So basically
atau
kayak
apa gitu.
oh,
Jadi
oke.
kalau
Jadi
misalkan kita pada saat pembuatan mapping silabus ini ada praktis yang kita pikir, oh praktisnya nanti saya dari buku aja deh halaman 13 misalkan, ya tulis di sini PB page 13 misalkan part A. Jadi nanti yang si content creator itu tahu, oh saya nggak perlu bikin bagian ini, tahu akan ada jadi buku.
oh, oke. Alright.
Mem ke
Berarti
kiri,
konten kreatornya itu merujuk ke silabus.
Iya.
Ke kita.
Jadi kalau misalkan isinya itu cuman kayak video of numbers gitu. Jadi nanti si content creator
Nanti cari
nanti
Ki, ya cari
videonya.
Ki.
Ah, oke.
Iya, gitu. Cari.
Alright, ma'am.
Nah,
Yes,
Mem
kenapa?
ke kiri, Ki, Bede. Ada Ji mau konfirmasi. Nah, ini kan kita di kolom paling kiri itu adalah minggu dan JP. Nah, sedangkan SMP kan satu minggu itu 2 meeting. Berarti sebentar untuk
2
minggu
meeting.
1, 4 JP, 4 kolom kita. Apa namanya itu 4 row?
Iya, cocok. Iya, kan di meeting 1 ada meeting 2.
Iya, betul.
Jadi
Nah,
mungkin
tapi di
kalau
situ
SMP
minggunya 1.
tambahkan Ki. Yes, tambahkan Ki pertemuan kalau untuk SMP.
Di bagian mana
Juga
bagusnya?
sih, Mem itu
Sampelnya di sini tuh.
2 JP. Minggu
Minggu
pertama.
pertama.
Di sini,
Iya,
minggu pertama 2
2
JP.
JP. Nah, kalau kita kan SMP, Sir, satu
Nah,
minggu itu 4 JP, 2 meeting.
Nah, itu
sini pertemuan
Di
pertemuan
mana
satu,
bagus
pertemuan
ditambah itu?
dua. Di sini
Di
seluruh
setelah
minggu.
minggu ya? Oh,
Yes.
nah
oke.
itu yang saya maskut.
Ya, gitu lah Mas. Mas.
Oke.
Ada lagi pertanyaan?
Kapan
Jadi
Kayaknya
dimulainya? 2027 ya?
SMP
tahu
SMP
ya,
itu
iya.
SMP
Iya, akhir Juni 2027 kan, Mem?
Iya. Ini saja dikasih SP kayaknya itu. Nah, kalau channel kayaknya nanti pertanyaannya mungkin pada saat kalian melakukan baru apa ini maksudnya diapain deh gitu. Sekarang mungkin kayaknya belum ada performa. Baru tercengok-cengok dulu gitu. Nanti pada saat bikin baru termehek-mehek. Oke, ada lagi pertanyaan? Jadi nanti untuk pengerjaan konten itu dibagi dua, tim SD dengan tim SMP ya. Nanti saya petakan siapa kerja di tim ke-1, ke-2, dan seterusnya. Alright? Any more? Any more?
Ma'am, sorry, ma'am.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
now we focus on the syllabus first, ya, ma'am. We focus on the
Iya,
syllabus
sekarang
first, ya.
ya betul. Nanti
Not the
kalau yang
lesson plan, not
silabusnya,
the RPP.
ya betul, Ma'am. Jadi kalau nanti yang udah ada silabusnya, Ma'am, nanti mungkin sudah bisa lihat-lihat dulu pelajari ya, langsung dikerja, Ma'am.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Yes. Any more questions for Tenamor?
So far good.
Untuk sementara Tenamor.
Oh, Tenamor ya. Oke, very good. Mungkin bisa diajar ya, Jul, your trainers Tenamor.
Tenamo.
Yes, Tenamor ya.
Syafiq
New
mengerti G
vocabulary
itu.
of the day.
Iya, Syafiq sudah pakai G.
Ya.
Gimana G?
Oh iya. Karena Manta dengan Fikri itu sudah tahu Tenamor.
Wadimor, ma'am. Wadimor.
Okay. Wadimor. Oke, thank you very much, Dan.
Oke.
Kayaknya kita foto sesi dulu deh. Turn on kamera dulu, Dan.
Dari mandi lagi. Masku.
Ya, saya berapa kali kita mandi, Kak?
Mandi apa ini dulu? Mandi apa?
Apa, Sir?
Tiap mau foto
Sudah
mandi
kira apa mau
dulu.
mandi lagi?
Mandi apa ini, Saraldi?
Mandi apa, Ki? Mr. Fikri. Mr. Ami. Mana nih, Miss Putri ya sama Mr. Jul?
Fikri.
Dan Putri belum mandi.
Gitu.
Udah taunya, Sir.
Fikri.
Belum mandi, Ma'am.
Masih pakai daster tadi saya lihat di menjemur.
Saya masih pakai boxer.
Wih,
Iya,
daster
dapat aja.
juga. Baku dapat sudah daster sama boxer kalau gitu.
Iya, Oke. Mana kami? Aduh, kakak pertama ini, kakak pertama.
Mandi tidak boleh, yang penting pakai seragam.
Iya.
Masih
ma'am.
dicuci,
Betul.
masih dicuci.
Lagi mencuci.
Oh, ya.
Iya, tahu.
Oke.
Nggak rumah dia.
3, 2, 1. Oke, tahan napas. Oke. Ya sudah satu kali deh.
Kenapa terharu Mem Nurfa?
Hah? Harus sekali kalian.
Miss
Terharu
Vida, di mana?
sekali.
Where are you, Miss Vida? Your
Oken.
background looks so fancy.
Astaga.
Oken.
Astaga. Oke. Belum
Kalau
sama
yang
sama
tetapnya
Cisto.
koken itu, Sir.
I'm in Warkop naik kelas, sir, because my teacher want to have LPC offline.
The
She
place
asked
looks
me
so
to go
cool.
here.
How much is the
Yeah,
coffee
you
there?
should go here. Yeah, near the house. It's Warkop naik kelas
Naik kelas ya?
in front of Polsek Simpang 4.
Okay, noted.
Miss Mantra already got the spare key of kopi kenangan.
Iya.
Iya, kayaknya part-time di sana itu, Mem.
Sudah jadi ada ya stok apa shareholder.
Iya, the
Sudah
CEO
shareholder,
of
sudah
Kopken.
ada share-nya itu. Sudah punya saham.
Sudah pegang kunci ini juga, kunci pintunya.
Agree,
Ya
agree.
sudah
Itu rolling
bisa.
door.
24 jam dia, Sir. Nggak perlu pegang kunci itu.
Yeah.
Masa? Really?
Oh
24
iya.
hours?
Yeah,
Yeah.
24
ID,
hours.
fake ID.
24
Yeah,
hours.
24
Wow.
hours there.
Oh.
You
Wow.
want to see the dark side of Tanah Bumbu, you go to Kopi Kenangan.
The dark side? What's so
Yeah.
dark about it?
So the dark side of Tanah Bumbu is Mr. Mantra.
No, no. Mr. Mantra is the good one.
No more free coffee for you, Miss Vida. Okay.
No wonder Mr. Mantra likes going there.
Yes.
Yeah.
Probably later ya, Sir. Nanti mungkin di bulan Juni, I will release beginning of June deh. We will